This is day 2 of our 5 days trip to the beautiful islands of Cebu. And on our second day, we're heading to Kalangaman Island. So we woke up early at 7 a.m. to have our breakfast here at Little Mermaid, Malapascua, where we're staying at. Yung complimentary breakfast is part na sa room na nabook namin. They have choices of continental and Filipino breakfast. At isa talaga to sa nilulook forward ko sa trip namin, yung breakfast with a view. Yung complimentary breakfast pala nila already includes coffee, juice, and fruits. By this time, hinihintay din namin yung tour guide na magli-lead sa amin dun sa bangka na magtutour sa amin dun sa Malapascua Island. Actually, nabook namin yung tour nung pagdating pa lang namin dito sa Malapascua and we paid 1,500 including lunch plus 150 for the environmental fee. Sinundo kami ng tour guide namin dun sa resort and sa Bounty Beach na lang din kami dumaan papuntang port. Nauna nga kaming dumating and sumakay na kami agad sa bangka. And hinintay na lang namin yung ibang kasama namin sa tour. Mga 9:30 a.m. na kami nakaalis from Malapascua to Kalangaman. And yung biyahe, it took around almost 2 hours. Medyo makulimlim nga yung panahon during this time. Pero nung pagdating namin sa Kalangaman Island, naging okay naman siya. Napakaliit lang ng island na to. Nasa 753 meters lang yung land area niya. And you can explore this in less than an hour. At fun fact, tinawag itong Kalangaman, which is the Visayan word for bird, kasi it resembles a bird when viewed from above. So nakarating kami ng around 11 a.m. And of course, first thing that we did is photo op. Marami ding mga water activities dito like snorkeling, kayak, scuba diving, at marami pa. At by 12 noon nga, tinawag na kami ng mga tour guides namin para mag-lunch. Sila lang din ang nag-prepare nito. We had grilled chicken, grilled pork, pansit, and may soft drinks na din. After lunch, pinuntahan namin yung dulo ng island kung saan yung mahabang stretch ng sandbar. Kaya lang by this time, hindi pa masyadong lumulutang yung sandbar. So naglibot na lang ulit kami. By the way, pwedeng mag-camping dito, pwedeng mag-overnight. Sinabihan kami ng tour guides namin na sa kabilang dulo ng island, meron din daw sandbar. Kaya pinuntahan namin. Naglakad lang kami ng siguro mga around 15 to 20 minutes. At ito yung nakita namin. OMG, para siyang hidden gem ng Kalangaman Island. Walang tao pagdating namin, kaya na-solo namin yung spot. We took a lot of photos here. Sobrang ganda lang talaga niya. Yung mapapakanta ka na lang ng, I just wanna live in this moment forever. But even for a short while, I really enjoyed Kalangaman Island. And I'll be back for sure. Around 3 p.m., pinabalik na kami sa bangka namin kasi we're heading back to Malapascua na. Sabi ng mga tour guides, early morning tsaka late afternoon yung nagpapakita fully yung sandbar. Kaya lang, hindi na daw siya gaya nung dati na super haba nung stretch ng sandbar after nung bagyo. Hindi man namin nakita fully yung sandbar, but overall, it was a great experience and we had a lot of fun. Nakabalik kami ng Malapascua around 5 p.m. and medyo nag-low tide na nga siya. Pagbalik namin ng resort, nag-freshen up lang kami and then we rested for a while. Around 6 p.m., lumabas kami to grab some food. Kaya lang since medyo busog pa kami, nag-happy hour na lang kami sa Ocean Vida. From 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., may buy one take one sila sa mga drinks and cocktails. We ordered yung frozen margarita nila and yung watermelon something na cocktail. We also ordered their pizza. Ito daw yung best seller nila. And ayun, we just ended the night chillin' and feeling the island life here in Malapascua.